Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. In previous videos you have learnt addition and the properties of addition. In today's class you are going to learn about subtraction. Then what is this subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away a smaller number from a greater number. Yes, so let us take one example, that is 7 minus 2. Yes, this is a larger number and this is a smaller number. Taking away a smaller number from a greater number. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away a smaller number from a greater number is called subtraction. Okay. So in subtraction, how the addition has its own terms, no? In subtraction also has its own terms. So the first term we are calling subrahand. What we are calling? Subrahand. And the second term we are calling it as a minuend. And whatever we get answer, no, that is difference. Okay, so here subtraction means taking away a smaller number from a larger number, and see here this is the symbol of subtraction. Okay, this is the symbol of subtraction, and always we are to subtract the number we need a larger number. We are subtracting a larger number, next see here smaller number from a larger number. So this is the small example. See here you have been learning the subtraction since first standard, and whichever the procedure you have followed there, no, here also you have to follow the same method, but their digits are less, here digits are more, means here you are learning 7 and 8 digit subtraction. Okay, so this is about subtraction. So let us learn some properties of subtraction. Okay, so properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. Yes, here I took some examples from your mic practice time 2 and third main. See here, while solving means while teaching the properties of subtraction, no, I will solve these examples also. So let us start the property number 1. Property 1. Property 1. So what is the property number 1? When 0 is subtracted from a number, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. When 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number itself. For example, take here 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 0 is 7, 100 minus 0 is 100. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. So this is the property number 1. So this is the properties of subtraction, and that is the property number 1. When 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, same you have to take 5,46,896 minus 0, you will get 5,46,896 as a answer. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. So just see here. Yes, some of the examples are there in your my practice time 1. So here see first one, 2,36,543 minus 0. So what will be the answer? See, by observing this you can tell. Yes, any number is subtracted from 0 means the number is itself. So right here 2,36,543. Why I wrote here that number? I hope you understood this property. Understood means you can write that easily. Okay, see here one more is there, 98,19,562. Again here the same answer is there. The same answer, we are getting the same answer, means what we have to write here? 0. Why I wrote here 0? Understood? By property 1. When 0 is subtracted from the any number, the difference is the number itself. So this is property number 1. Okay, so here I have solved on property number 1 2 examples. So let us take one more property number 2, that is property 2. So what is that property? When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. See here, when for example 6 minus 0, when we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Let us take one more example, 2463 minus 2463. So its difference is 0. For example, 4,23,589 minus 4,23,589. Its answer is 0. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. I hope you are getting my point. When a number is subtracted from a number itself, the difference is 0. So let us see some examples from your My Practice Time 2. And they are, see here, the number, what is their here answer? 0. When we are getting a 0 as an answer? When we subtracting a number from itself. So it's the same number you have to write, 1,21,695, and here also 2,64,132. Why I wrote here that number? I hope you understood. I wrote that number on the basis of property 2. Okay, so this is the property number 2. So let us take one more property 3. Property 3. See here, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 10 minus 1, that is 9, and 100 minus 1, that is 99. So just see here, 2 the result I got 1, 10 the result I got, that is 9, 100 the result I got, that is 19. Just observe what are those, that is I got the before number of the given number. Yes, see here, when we subtract 1 from the any number, we will get the predecessor of the number, that is property number, yes, that is property number 3. See here, when we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is the predecessor of that number. Okay, see here, just see here, one example is there. 1,29,51,312 minus 1. So that there I will apply this property number 3, and I will write here 1,29,51,311. Understood? I hope you are getting my point. See here, C1, 1,29,51,311. Here 12 is there. Now I wrote the predecessor of the number. Okay, how I wrote? On the basis of property 3. Okay, see here one more is there question, and that is, yes, minus, here I got the same number. See here, 6,21,34,341 is there, and here I got predecessor. Here 40 is there. Then what I have to write here? I have to write here 1, because I got here predecessor. When we are getting predecessor, when we are subtracting 1 from the given number. See here, they given fill in the blanks on the basis of this property. If you understood the properties, then you can write this fill in the blanks very easily. So here in subtraction we will see here 3 properties. First one is, when 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number itself. So let us see here. First property, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Property number 2, when we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. When we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the given number. See here, this is about subtraction and properties of subtraction, and here page number 95 is there. Try to solve that examples. Okay, so let us take some examples from your My Practice Time 2, and the first question subtraction is there. So I will take here the question Yes, 3,39,45,987 minus 26,31,798. Yes, this one example is there, and one more is there, that is first one A, and here second main A is there. Find the missing letters. 8, 7, 9, 6, 5, 8, 5, 9 minus, here box is there 3, next again box is there 1, next box is there 2, next box is there, next here 5, and here 6, 4, 6, 5, 0, 6, 2, 4. So here the given 2 examples from my practice time 2. I will solve 1 and remaining you do as a homework. Yes, already you know how to subtract the numbers. See here you are following 2 methods, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Yes, you are making this as a 17 and 18, that is also correct. Here I am also following one method, that is also correct. So see here, take carry and it becomes 17. Yes, 17 minus 8 is 9. 17 minus 8 is 9. See here, 8 minus 9 is not possible. Again you take carry and it becomes 18. Yes, 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Yes, if you are doing like this, means 17 and this 8, okay, that is also correct. No issues if you are following that method also. 8 and 17, but try to solve this kind of practice this kind of examples. Practice this method. 9 minus 7 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Once again I will repeat. See here 7 is there, so you have to take carry from tens place, this becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay, again here 8 is there, again you need to take carry, put here, take carry from this 100 place. 18 minus 9 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, how you have solved last year, no? The same procedure here you have to follow, but here digits are more. Okay, this type one more example is there, that you solve in your home. Next here, see here what is there, missing numbers. Okay, here what we have to do, subtraction. Then here I will tell you one trick, then you can write the numbers easily. See here 9 minus 5 is there 4, here there is no need to subtract. See here just 4, I'll see the result, 4 is there, 4 plus 5 is 9. See here 5 is there. Okay, here to get 5 what I have to add here, 3. So write here 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, then 0 dash 0. So what I have to write here, 0, again here you write 0, 0 plus 0, here you have to write 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 to get 9 I have to take here 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7, 6 plus 2 is 8, means to find the missing letters you need to add here. Okay, so one example I have solved, you solve one more example from your page number 95. See here, this is all about subtraction. In next class I am going to discuss about multiplication. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.